guys, I was just barely gifted one of these automatic digital scales from the seller, so I thought I would do a quick review for you. Honestly, I feel like these are essentials to have in your kitchen, and this one in particular is super nice because it is lightweight, it's easy to store, easy to clean, and it works incredibly well. This digital scale is the perfect size of scale to have in your kitchen. It is big enough that you're able to weigh basically whatever you need, but small enough that you can easily store it. It has anti-slip grips on the bottom, and the top is made of a beautiful stainless steel that is waterproof, durable, and it is super easy to clean. There are 3 easy buttons to use this scale. You have an on and off button, a tare button, which will bring the scale back to 0, and a unit button, which can switch you between 6 different units of measurement. And I love that the display is a backlit display, so it is super easy to read the number. This scale is super helpful and can measure a lot of different items, and whether it's a liquid, a powder, or a solid, it is so easy and simple to use. It quickly will get you your measurement, and it can weigh something up to 15 kilograms. There is little to no wait time, and for me, it has been extremely accurate every single time. Again, I honestly do think that everybody needs one of these in their kitchen. It makes baking and cooking so much easier, so I would definitely recommend this.
Today I'm showing you this kitchen scale that was sent to me by the brand for my honest feedback. It's a stainless steel digital scale that can handle up to 33 pounds. It works well for everything from baking ingredients to meal prep or portion control. The LCD display is really easy to read. It has a soft backlight and a wide viewing angle, so you can see the numbers clearly no matter where you're standing. You can switch between 6 different units: grams, pounds, ounces, milliliters, milk milliliters, and kilograms. And I like the one-touch tare function, which makes it super simple to zero out your bowl or container before adding ingredients. It's powered by a built-in rechargeable battery that you can charge through USB, but it also works with regular AAA batteries if you prefer to keep it cordless. And once you're done using it, cleanup is quick. The stainless steel top is splash resistant and wipes clean easily with just a damp cloth. So it's ready to go for the next recipe. Definitely check it out.
I was gifted this super awesome stainless steel digital scale. You can see how nice and petite this is. This scale holds up to 33 pounds, which is incredible. And the best thing about it is that you can either put batteries in it and use it, or you can charge it. So it is rechargeable. You do not need to use the batteries, but you definitely can. It has 6 different modes on here. Let's go ahead and go through them. You have your on and off button, you have your tare, and then you have your unit. And we're simply going to press our on button right here. There are 6 different units. So you have kilogram, gram, pound, ounce, milliliter, and milk. And then say you want to weigh something out, you can put it here. You have 896 milliliters. Or what you can also do is zero it out. So if you need to add another item on top, you would just press tare and it zeroes it out and you can add more things to it. Here I have my child's cup. I have my scale on. I'm going to put it on, and then I'm going to switch my unit. I want it to be in ounce, and then I'm going to set it back to 0, and I'm going to pour my liquid in there so that I know how many ounces are in there. And there are 6.07 ounces in here. This item is super easy to use. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I love that you have the 2 different charging modes, that it can hold up to 33 pounds, the 6 different units. It'll fit most cabinets for storage, and it's the perfect gift. I would definitely recommend it.
I wanted to get on here and review this awesome digital scale. I've been using this in the kitchen, and let me just say that it has been such a lifesaver. It is made of stainless steel, which is something that I absolutely love. It is very beautiful, as you can see. It's super easy to use. You just turn it on, and then you put whatever you're needing to use, like a bowl. You just put it on, then you tare it, and then you can add whatever you need to, and it pulls up right here on the screen. It does measure grams, pounds, ounces, mLs, kilograms, and it does go up to 33 pounds. It can hold that much, which I think is super great. I love these little feet on it so that it doesn't slide around. When it comes packaged, it does have a protective film over it, which I think is super great, so you don't have to worry about it coming all scratched. It is a very high quality product. I've noticed how much easier it is just to weigh than to measure other ways when cooking. So if you're looking for a digital scale, I'd highly recommend this product. Super high quality, very durable, seriously one of the best digital scales that I have ever used. It does take AAA batteries, and you can just put them in right here. Overall, I would rate this product a 10 out of 10. I definitely think if you're looking for a digital scale, this is going to be the product for you. It's high quality, durable, and it just is a really easy working product.